When it comes to hiring, new engineers, a lot of times we have difficulty, really retaining those people to come to Southwest Georgia. If a program like this is able to really develop talent in Southwest Georgia, you're more likely to come and stay in Southwest Georgia and continue to develop your career here.
Getting to work with the 3D printers and using Fusion, the way you can translate something from online into real life is just super cool. It's almost like bringing cartoons to life.
I know that my school, and especially the schools around me, they don't have the most funding, they don't have the most presence in the state. And the fact that Georgia Tech would spend all this time on schools like us so that we can learn really just shows to me how much Georgia Tech cares about the community and how much they care about the future generation. Go Jackets!